Not yet. No, not yet.
Okay.
Nice. Oh my goodness.
Align your side facing me. Come this way a little bit towards the edge. Just at the pelvis where you like.
Yeah. Which one is it?
This one.
Yeah.
Let these shoulders come back. Got it.
That felt so good.
And turn this way.
Oh, it's like I feel so much taller already.
So come all the way to the edge. And bring this shoulder back. Good. Got it. Line your back. There's a little left. You can put the pillow under your head. Move to this edge a little bit.